This video will demonstrate how to perform muscular strength and muscular endurance testing. Muscular strength is the muscle's ability to exert force, and muscular endurance is the muscle's ability to continue to perform successive exertions or many repetitions. 1RM stands for 1 repetition maximum, which means the most resistance that can be moved within one full range of motion, also abbreviated as ROM. While maintaining good posture, these measurements are and can be used to measure a subject's baseline of physical fitness level and can be used to design a fitness program for the subject. Before subjects begin, have them begin with a 5 to 10 minute warm-up of light intensity, such as jumping jacks, jogging on a treadmill, or on a cycle ergometer for dynamic stretching, followed by static stretching. First, subject will perform muscular strength test. Have the subject start off with light repetition of the exercise. For this test, the subject will be performing 1RM test to measure muscular strength. The subject will be lifting the heaviest weight possible one time with the proper technique. When determining the 1RM, it should be done within 4 trials, and to avoid fatigue, the subject should rest 3 to 5 minutes in between. Have the subject choose their initial weight within their perceived capacity, which is between 50 and 70%. If the weight is too light, increase the resistance by 2.5 to 20.0 kilograms. Once the subject cannot complete or continue the repetitions, stop adding weight. Keep in mind that the last set that was properly lifted will be recorded. If subject is sedentary, older, or does not have that much experience training with resistance, have them perform the submaximal strength test. This requires less weight but more repetitions. For this submaximal strength test, have your subject perform 10 repetitions with the weight that is 75% of the maximum load. This will be used to calculate the 1RM. To test muscular endurance, we will use the push-up test. Make sure to focus on proper form and technique. Subject should start in a standard down position. This requires hands to be pointed forward, shoulders width apart. Their back should be straight and their head up with chin touching the floor. Subject will raise their body by straightening their elbows and then returning back to the down position. Keep in mind that the stomach should not touch the mat, only the chin. To determine the maximum number of push-ups performed, subjects will perform consecutive push-ups without rest. The test is stopped when the subject can no longer maintain the proper technique within 2 repetitions. A modified version is knee push-up. With legs together, lower legs are in contact with the mat, ankles plantar flexed, and the head is up as well. Using this formula is another way you can predict your 1RM. You will divide the amount of weight lifted in pounds by 1.0278 subtracted by 0.278 times the number of repetitions. In this example, the amount of weight lifted was 65 pounds divided by 1.0278 minus 0.278 multiplied by 7, which was the total amount of repetitions, which equaled out to 70.79 pounds as the predicted 1RM.